Did you know that the grand statue of Lord Nataraj is installed in the CERN, the European Organization for Nuclear Research? Surprised? Wait, hear me out. Lord Nataraj, or the dancing form of Lord Shiva, has a scientific as well as spiritual significance. It is a bridge between Eastern wisdom and Western scientific pursuit. The dancing form of Shiva represents the dance of life, along with creation, preservation, and destruction. Scientifically, it represents the dance of the tiny subatomic particles which forms matter, and the different dances causes different vibration, and hence it gives different shapes to the things that we see around us. For better understanding of this concept, you can refer to my String Theory and Hinduism Part 1 video, which will be linked above. Okay, so now let us dive deep into understanding what does Lord Nataraj actually symbolize. Lord Nataraj is depicted to be dancing encircled by a ring of flames. He is lifting his one leg and is balancing with the other, and is holding demon Apasmara in place. The ring of fire surrounding the Lord is known as Prabhamandala, which represents time, which moves in cyclical order. Lord's upper hand holds a drum, that is damaru, which creates the primal sound of creation. The upper left hand holds a flame or agni, which represents the power of destruction. Both his mudras signify the balance between the two, that is creation and destruction. His right foot on demon Apasmara represents the Lord's control over fake human ego and ignorance. The serpent around his neck symbolizes the coiled Kundalini Shakti, which can only be activated by the Lord's grace, leading to moksha or salvation for the soul. The lower hands and the lifted legs symbolizes the grace with which he releases the soul from bondage or grants moksha. Now let us discuss about Lord Nataraj and the scientific symbolism. Fritzofcapra, a physicist, found parallel between quantum theory and the cosmic dance of Lord Shiva. Modern physicist says that every subatomic particles performs a dance which leads to the process of creation, preservation and destruction. Hence, Lord Shiva's cosmic dance to the scientist is an artistic metaphor of the cosmic dance of the subatomic particles. Hence, Lord Nataraj to the scientist is that life force that creates, preserves and destroys, hence becoming a symbol of scientific principles as well. For more such interesting narratives, please like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.